Once upon a time, in a magical world beyond the silver moon, there lived a tiny fairy named Lily. Her wings sparkled like diamonds in the sunlight, and her laughter was like the tinkling of tiny bells. Lily lived in the middle of an enchanted forest, where trees whispered secrets and flowers sang lullabies. It was a place where all sorts of magical creatures lived, from wise owls to dancing butterflies. But not all the creatures were friendly. Beyond the flower fields, in the shadowy corners of the forest, lived the grumpy monsters. The monsters, with their mismatched eyes and bushy tails, were known for their cranky moods. They rarely laughed and always grumbled. But what no one knew was that the monsters had a secret. They were terribly shy and never showed their softer sides to anyone. One sunny morning, Lily decided to explore a part of the forest she had never visited. As she flitted through the air, she suddenly heard a loud thump. Startled, she hid behind a branch, peeking through leaves to see what had happened. There, in a small clearing, was Balthazar, the biggest and grumpiest monster of them all, fumbling with a fallen baby bird. His fierce eyes softened as he gingerly tried to place the tiny creature back in its nest. Lily was amazed. She had never seen this side of a monster before. Gathering her courage, she fluttered down and landed softly on a dandelion nearby. "Hello, Balthazar," she chimed, her voice gentle and musical. Balthazar jumped, nearly toppling over with surprise. "Oh, hello," he mumbled, slightly embarrassed but curious. Lily smiled. "I saw what you did for the baby bird. That was very kind of you." The big monster blushed, a rosy tint on his green cheeks. "I like helping, even if I don't show it much," he admitted. From that day on, Lily and Balthazar became the best of friends. They played together, laughed, and discovered many hidden wonders in the forest. Word of their friendship spread throughout the magical world. Soon, the other monsters began to show their softer sides, joining in the laughter and joy that filled the forest. Monsters weren't so grumpy after all. They just needed someone to understand them. Thanks to Lily, the forest thrived with friendships that blossomed like the most beautiful of flowers. The magical world became even more enchanted. And so, the fairy and the monsters lived together in harmony, proving that friendship can change even the grumpiest of hearts.